job I did?
No problem so far.
That's good. You don't want any problems, do you?
Well, I haven't noticed anything yet. I think you would know more about those things than I would.
I do good work. And everything. But always pays to check back. That's because your husband's good at checking those things himself.
Well, my husband isn't home right now.
Oh, yeah?
I was just going out to lie in the sun for a little while.
Pretty hot out to lay in the sun, you know.
You think it's too hot?
Depends. You might be better off indoors.
Oh, great. Well, that